Are you still talking? Are you still talking, Dolly? Oh, you were. You're tricking me, aren't you? Hello. Pretty girl? Yeah. So thank. Hello, Dolly. Thank. Oh, very pretty. Back to you too. Oh, you can hear that cricket outside. I heard it. Yeah. It's great to see you having a little talk. Mm-hmm. Talking to people. You say thank you now, don't you? Sometimes. You happy girl? Okay, I'll tell all the people out there that... Yeah, okay, well you tell them. It's very... Okie doke. Yeah, exactly. Said okie dokie, love to all from this beautiful parrot here called Dolly. Yeah. Get a little spoiled, don't you? But that's okay, that's why you're a happy girl. Oh, you have the other bird. Right, say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, everybody. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Now you're going to shake your tail feather. Show off your tail feather. Fair enough, Dolly. Bye to all. Oh, I think that was Dolly saying goodbye as well. Happy Sunday. Bye.